Welcome back to the channel today. We're diving deep into the review of luxurious Toyota Camper Motorhome. Looking for the perfect travel companion for your next road trip adventure? The 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome might just be the ultimate vehicle to take you wherever your wanderlust leads. With a perfect mix of durability, modern design, and impressive technology, this camper is built for explorers who crave comfort on the go. From the outside, the 2025 Toyota Camper catches attention with its bold, aerodynamic design that's both practical and stylish. The front fascia is distinctly Toyota, featuring a wide grille, integrated LED lighting, and a rugged bumper setup. Ready for uneven terrains, the extended roofline maximizes interior space, and the side panel includes sleek, flush windows and an automatic retractable awning that turns any camping spot into a cozy outdoor lounge. Built on Toyota's trusted light truck platform, the camper has increased ground clearance and upgraded all-terrain tires that make it capable of handling off-road trails with ease. Step inside and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious and smartly designed interior that's all about comfort and functionality. Toyota has managed to pack a full home-like experience into a compact space. The living area features modern, eco-friendly materials with soft-touch surfaces and customizable ambient lighting. A foldable dining table easily converts into a workspace or extra sleeping space. The kitchenette includes a 2-burner induction cooktop, a microwave, a smart refrigerator, and a stainless steel sink with filtered water. Storage is plentiful, with overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, and cleverly hidden drawers throughout the cabin. The camper sleeps up to 4 comfortably, thanks to a retractable loft bed and a convertible sofa bed, both designed with high-density memory foam for a restful night. The bathroom setup is compact but efficient, featuring a water-saving toilet, a smart mirror, and a hot water shower unit. Everything you need to stay clean on the road. Performance-wise, the 2025 Toyota Camper doesn't disappoint. Under the hood is a 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain paired with Toyota's E4 all-wheel drive system. It delivers a smooth, reliable drive whether you're navigating city streets or heading deep into nature. Fuel efficiency is excellent for a vehicle of this class, giving it an estimated 28 miles per gallon combined, which is quite rare for motorhomes. The electric assist enhances torque during uphill climbs and helps manage energy consumption during long trips. It's also equipped with Toyota's full suite of advanced safety features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering this larger vehicle much easier. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome starts at around $58,000 for the base model and can go up to $75,000 fully equipped with solar panels, roof-mounted AC, satellite internet, and luxury interior upgrades. It's competitively priced for its segment and offers tremendous value, given Toyota's reputation for reliability and low maintenance. If you've been dreaming about life on the road without sacrificing comfort or performance, the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome is worth serious consideration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car reviews and travel-ready vehicles.